Hello guys, naimbang oras siya amin ket kakadwa tayo itata tinaruay nga ragragsak kin lang danggayan ket anabar ti rurayan tayo, rugyanan tayo ti agkanta. Kahit nga kanta ket sagot ko para kanyayo amin yung gagayan. It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart. Without saying a word, you can light up the dark. Try as I may, I can never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand say you catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. All day long I can hear people talking loud. But when you hold me near, you drown up the crowd. Try as they may, they can never define what's been said between your heart and mine. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand say you catch me wherever I fall. You say it best. Dahil lang kakabsat, ket sabay lang kumanta, nagustuhan nyo dahil iti kantap, ket newbie nakpay lang. Thank you dahil iti nagbuludak ti gitara. Ken shout out gayam kada kitay natataraki ken nalalasbang nga supportive tayo. Isudan ni Maynard Agra, Jomel Agra, Aaron Arnedo, Roldan Grande, Silver Grande, Dominador Agra, Nemalin Butay, Julian Villalon, Batang Mandaya, Rodel Inovejas, Nadung Putik, ken ni Jason nga Ilianes nga birthday itata, happy birthday! Ken ni Kevin John Grande, ken di yung matliplipatan nga i-subscribe sa YouTube channel na nga Uno Del Grande. Ken thank you amin nga nag-subscribe, ken tayo lang nagayem. Thank you very much and God bless.